Ford Focus 2-litre TDCE clutch assembly. How it looked after 15 years and 150,000 miles. Yeah, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Here we are with the Ford Focus clutch assembly, 150,000 miles and 15 years old. A quick look at the wear and tear and what went wrong with the clutch after being so long in use. We'll start with the release bearing or pressure plate bearing. This had actually failed. It started to make a noise roughly 4 months before it finally failed, and in the end we believed that the hydraulic seal went and we could no longer release the clutch. The pressure plate itself was okay, or is okay. There is no abnormal wear or broken parts on it. The friction face itself is in very good condition, no deep scratches or scores in it. Clutch disc or friction plate, as you can see, the friction material on this plate is still very good. The heads and bodies of the rivets is well below the surface of the friction material, and there is no damage on it, so this too could have lasted a little bit longer. Then we get down to the secondary flywheel. Again, the face on the secondary flywheel, the friction face, was in very good condition. There was no deep marks in it, no scratches, no deep scores, no cracks or anything. But on the back there was some wear, like something hadn't been doing its job, and it was scratched badly. Then we get down to the primary flywheel. Here you can see on the primary flywheel that the scratching from the secondary flywheel, and where it had been scratching on it and wearing on the surface. Now here's the second problem with this clutch, and it's in the DMF itself. There was a clacking or a rattle on the car, which you could hear when the car was on the spot idling. I took a chunk out of this. I really wanted to take all this off, but it is welded all the way round. Underneath this cover plate are the arc springs. The arc springs and the DMF itself actually take the vibration out of the diesel engine. But this one had failed and it was making a clacking noise. When I'd stripped it down or cut the top off, I'd noticed that an arc spring had broke. Now I don't know if that's the only one that's broke or the other arc spring is broken down here, but this wouldn't have lasted much longer. I think it would have got to the point where it would have made a hell of a noise, like the engine's about to blow up. So yeah, it was good it got changed, and it's now off to the scrapyard in the sky. So that's it from this video, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, if you like the content, please put a like on the video, add a comment and support me with your subscription. Thank you very much.